Hey, what's up Cardano holder? So what's going on? Today video is going very special and this is absolutely very urgent video for Cardano holder because I have one good news and people ask me, some holder ask me to why what's we do, and those days Cardano hold, Cardano sell, or what we do. So this is buying time, selling time. So today in this video I gonna to explain this and everything, and this is very informative video gone. So please kindly keep watch this video. This is just for holder of Cardano, okay, not for everyone. If you are a Cardano holder, then absolutely keep watch this video. So let's get start this brand video, guys. But before I get started this brand video, I request you to please subscribe. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe this channel, because this channel give you a very latest update and urgently every hour they can updating you. So kindly subscribe this channel. Hope you subscribe it. Okay, so let's get started. The last this is the last 1 hour result. If you can see here, absolutely this is last 1 hour result. First of all, I gonna show you the two charts. Absolutely you noted the results of every charts. Okay, so if you can see here, this is absolutely the result as in negative. So why the result is in negative? You can see, you know this. Absolutely this is the result as no, because this is the start of month, and every start of month every cryptocurrencies goes down, absolutely goes down. So this is absolutely goes down. So please if you have any Cardano, then absolutely don't sell it. Okay, then don't sell it, please hold it. And if you have any plan to buy more, then absolutely buy. And those days, absolutely these days absolutely good for you to buy it. You can see here the last 24-hour result is absolutely a negative, because this is, I already said you to please, this is the start of month and every Cardano, because our Cardano holder already sell it, and therefore the Cardano price and the changes absolutely goes down, absolutely starting dumping in those days. So remember this today, this is very fastest cryptocurrency. Cardano is very fastest cryptocurrency, guys. Please, I hope in upcoming days they can go up like a rocket, absolutely like a rocket. So please hold it, don't sell it. And if you want to buy, if you have any plan to buy, then absolutely these days is absolutely good for you to buy it. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, this is very helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.